Want to delete text messages from your iPhone but not sure how? No worries, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to delete individual messages and entire conversations on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app and go to the conversation where you want to delete a message. Scroll to the message you want to remove, then press and hold the message bubble. A pop-up menu will appear. Select More. Now you'll see a check mark beside the selected message. Simply tap the trash can icon in the bottom left corner, then confirm by tapping Delete. If you want to delete multiple messages, just tap additional message bubbles to select more messages before tapping the trash can. To delete a whole conversation, you don't need to remove each message individually. Instead, go to your list of conversations, find the one you want to delete, and swipe left on it. A delete button will appear, tap it. Then, confirm by tapping Delete again. Keep in mind that deleting messages on your iPhone won't remove them from the recipient's device. They'll still have a copy. Also, if you ever change your mind, you can restore deleted messages within 30 days. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials every day.